The Edge by Liteline is a luminaire designed for grid ceilings and replaces traditional troffers or flat panel fixtures. The Edge is designed to be dropped right into a grid ceiling, requires no trimming of the acoustic tile, and does not interfere with the overhead mechanical equipment. Perform a dry fit of the acoustic tile. To do this, you will have to rotate the earthquake clips and fold up the chain retainer tabs so they do not get in the way of the acoustic tile sitting flush with the top of the fixture. Place the acoustic tile in the center of the fixture. Using the hole in the chain retainer tab, connect one side of the chain to the fixture before putting the fixture into the ceiling. Determine the location of the fixture and make electrical drops. The BX wire should be easily accessible. Make electrical connections in the driver. The primary and secondary ports are separated by the orange partition. Make electrical connections with the ground, neutral, and line wires that are in the primary port. These wires will be connected to the BX wire in the ceiling. To install the BX wire, remove the knockout in the primary port and place the BX cable connector or grommet into the hole. We will be connecting the BX wire to the driver later. The secondary port houses 3 pre-installed LED output wires, as well as the 0 to 10V dimming ports. When dimming is required, feed the 18-gauge wire through the secondary knockout port and use the positive and negative ports in the driver. Please take note of the polarity. The top is negative and the bottom is positive. Feed and push the appropriate wire into each port. They should stay in place once enough of the wire has been fed through. You know that this is complete when the square button just above the port looks like it has been pressed down into position. If for whatever reason you need to release a wire, push the button with a screwdriver and pull the wire out. Run power to the fixture. Please note, Liteline drivers have a safety feature to protect the driver. The secondary luminaire and whip wire connections must be made prior to powering the fixture. If you have powered the fixture before the connections are made, turn the power off for 1 to 2 minutes, locally, before making the connections and powering the fixture. Run the electrical wire through the BX cable connector. You can tighten the BX connector with a screwdriver to hold the wire in place. Make your connections to the wires in the primary port. Take the cover and place it on the driver. The driver has now been successfully connected. Use the selector tabs on the side of the driver to select wattage and color temperature. Using the attached mounting plate, you can secure the driver to the building. Locate the secondary quick connect wire. Connect and twist the wire from the driver to the fixture. We are now going to put the fixture into the ceiling. Hold the edge panel with the acoustic tile at a 45-degree angle in relation to the T-bar direction and push the fixture through the T-bar opening. Adjust the edge panel so that the outer edge is sitting flush in the T-bar. Secure the fixture to the grid by rotating the pre-installed earthquake clips, bending them on the scores, and securing them to the structure. Now would also be the time to make sure that the chain is secured to something overhead and connect it to the other side of the fixture. Installation is now complete. For more information on our products, please visit liteline.com/edge.